Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. May I introduce myself to you. My name is Satima. Come from Indramayu of Indonesia. My education is junior high school. My religion is Muslim. I can handle pork but cannot eat pork. My status is married. I have one brother, three sisters. I number five in family. I can cook Chinese food for a simple soup ABC, curry chicken, porridge chicken, pork soup. I to learn more Chinese food. I have experience before in Singapore 5 years, from 2018 until 2023. My job clean house, cooking, take care children, go to market. I am promised to finish my contract 2 years, honest, obedient, hard working. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong.